Find the volume of the solid bounded by the plane x plus y plus z equal to 1 and the coordinate planes. कौन पहला पहला वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड बाहर करिवो जे कि एई प्लेन द्वारा बाउंडेड हेची एंड बाय द कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन्स? मीन्स xy प्लेन yz प्लेन एंड zx प्लेन. In xy plane z equal to 0, in yz plane x equal to 0, in zx plane your y equal to 0. That means हमें जाने गले the range of the integration of starting value x, y, z are 0, 0 and 0. So x plus y plus z 1. If we integrate with respect to z, what happen? What is the value of z? It is 1 minus x minus y. Therefore, the value of z varies from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 minus x minus y. After integration of z, we have to integrate with respect to y. So what happens? You become x plus y equal to 1. Therefore, what about y is equal to 1 minus x? Hence, the starting value of y is 0, ending value of y is 1 minus x. Therefore, y varies from 0 to 1 minus x. After integration of z and y, we have to integrate with respect to x. Therefore, what the equation become? You have x plus y plus z1. Z सरगला, y सरगला, the remaining become x equal to 1. Therefore, x varies from 0 to 1. Hence, what is the volume? Volume is triple integration dz, dy and dx. What is z range? 0 to 1 minus x minus y. What is range of y? 0 to y equal to 0 to 1 minus x. What is range of x? X equal to 0 to 1 dz, dy and dx. Then it is simply integration. You can find the integral value. That value suggests that is the volume of the solid. Hello. ठीक है. Next question. Find the volume of the solid common to the cylinder x square plus z square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. मतलब वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड बाहर कर जी कि कॉमन टू द सिलिंडर दिस एंड दिस. बास आमर केत बुझा है आमर सीधा अर्थ होची वॉल्यूम माने आमर है ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन dz, dy and dx. What are the values of range of z, range of y and range of x? From this equation x square plus z square equal to 1, you have z square is equal to 1 minus x square. Therefore, z is equal to plus minus root over of 1 minus x square. From this equation of cylinder, you have x square plus y square is 1. Therefore, y square is equal to 1 minus x square. Y is equal to plus minus root over of 1 minus x square. So, after the integration of z and y, what remaining? You remaining x square equal to 1 adhere and adhere. Therefore, x square is equal to 1 means x is equal to plus minus 1. Hence, what about the volume? Triple integration. What is the range of z? Minus root over of 1 minus s square to plus root over 1 minus x square. What is range of y? Minus root over of 1 minus s square to plus root over 1 minus s square. What is the range of x? Is equal to minus 1 to 1 of what is this? dz, dy and dx. According to the above formula, the even function definition एक लिखा 8 into integration of 0 to 1. This is x range y equal to 0 to root over of 1 minus x square, z equal to 0 to root over of 1 minus s square, dz, dy and dx. So after simple integration, you can find the volume of the solid. Hello. Sorry, one last question. Next, another question is that find the triple integration dx y z square of dv where d is equal to 0 1 close cross minus 1 to close cross 0 3 closure. It is very simple. What is the meaning of the term? That means they are the ranges. What are ranges? So what is the value become? The triple integration d of x y z square dt. That's equal to triple integration x y z square dz dy and dx. From this is the range of x, this is the range of y, this is the range of z. So what is the range of x? From 0 to 1. What is the range of y? From -1 to 2. What is the range of z? 0 to 3. Very simple. So we have to first integrate with respect to z. After that integration of y. After that we have to integrate with respect to x. You can find the value of the integral. Set up a triple integral for the volume of the solid D which is bounded above by the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 and below by the plane y plus z equal to 2. प्रश्न कौन कहला वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड बाहर करवा डी रो जे कि बाउंडेड एबव बाय द स्फीयर and below by the plane y plus z equal to 2. above रे एटा रहिबो below रे एटा रहिबो तले आईडिया तुम पाई गलो तले एउ जे भी कहिबा प्रथमे चिंता करिवो व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ z from this what happen z square is equal to 4 minus x square minus y square z is equal to root over of 4 minus x square minus y square. From this what is z ना 2 minus y. आम मनरे प्रश्न आसीबो जे z सारी टी प्लस माइनस काई लिखिलेनी जदि हम खाली एई गोटे इक्वेशन देई थांता आमे लिखि थांता रेंज ऑफ z माइनस रूट ओवर ऑफ दिस वैल्यू टू प्लस रूट ओवर ऑफ दिस वैल्यू जेहेतु एटा लिखिछि एभव बिलो लिखिछि एटा तेणु एभव माने ऊपरटा रहिबो माइनस वाला नंबर नै बिलोटा हमर छाड़ देले बिलो पे हम कर देछि ताले आमे यूटू कन्फर्म हेले द वैल्यू ऑफ z वैरीज फ्रॉम कोते आसीबो एटा बिलो की हला 2 minus y to 4 minus x square minus y square root over. That is the value of z. After the value of z we have to find the range of y. How can we find the range of y? From these two equation 1 and equation 2. This is also z, here also z, and these two values are equal. Therefore, what happens? 4 minus x square minus y square root over is 2 minus y. On squaring 4 minus x square minus y square is 4 plus y square minus 4y. After squaring कले root over टा इटी कटिला ये तारा squaring हे गला. So 4 is now cancelled हे गला. तारो व्हाट हैपेन x स्क्वायर केते हे गला माइनस x स्क्वायर से पुन हे गले यू हैव x स्क्वायर आकु घिनी आसले यू हैव 4y minus 2y square. That means if I take 2y as a common, what happen? This is 2 minus y. So what is x? The plus minus root over of 2y into 2 minus y. So you can see plus minus is you. So what happened? The value of ax varies from minus root over of 2y into 2 minus y to 2y into 2 minus y root over. That is the value of x. After the range of x, what remaining? The integral, the range of x. तो कौन करिबा? From this equation, when you integrate with respect to कौन है? हमें z रे कर देले, x रे बताने जो कौन y रे मध्य में कर देले. What about the range of x? तो x रेंज बाहर करिबा किम करिबा? सेट अप दैट वैल्यू टा को 0 कर दिया. कोटा को जो भीतर टर्म टा को 0 कर देले. कौन कला हो? When you take 2y into 2 minus y term as 0, what you find? The value of y is equal to 0 and the value of y is equal to 2. So what happens? The value of y varies from 0 to 2. Y varies from 0 to 2. So what finally you see? The value of z varies from 2 minus y to root over of this value 4 minus x square minus y square. The value of x varies from minus root over of 2y into 2 minus y to 2y into root over of 2 minus y, and the value of y varies from 0 to 2. Hence, what about the volume? Volume केता आसिला? The volume is equal to ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन आगे है dz, तापर है dx, तापर है dy. What is the range of z? Range of z है केते ना 2 minus y, the value of z 2 minus y to root over of 4 minus x square minus y square. What is the value of x? Minus 2y into 2 minus y root over 2, 2y into 2 minus y root over, and the value of y varies from 0 to 2. After this you can see the middle integral is minus 2 plus, as it is a even function you may write 2 into only 1 2 into integration y is 0 to 2 integration x equal 0 to 2y into 2 minus y root over integration z equal to 2 minus y to 4 minus x square minus y square root over dz dx dy. We have to not integrate. से क्वेश्चन थिला सेट ऑफ द इंटीग्रल, इंटीग्रेशन को सेट अप कर तैयारी कर, तुम पता नहीं इंटीग्रेशन करिया पाए तुम एउ तने स्टॉप कर दला. दैट इज द सेट ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन फॉर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड. ठीक है ला आउ थरे द वैल्यू इज माइनस ऑफ रूट ओवर 2y into 2 minus y to 2y into 2 minus root over. एमान कथा मु डिस्टर्ब करूनी, मु कोन कहतली माइनस ए रु ए f of x dx 2 into 0 रु a f of x dx हबो जदि एटा इवन हेइथिबो तले एटा मझिटा हमर कोन जेतु 1 अछि इवन फंक्शन तो व्हाट अबाउट द रेंज हला 0 रु 2y into 2 minus y रो रूट ओवर हेइ गला बस. तापर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लेला आउट क्वेश्चन find the volume of the solid bounded below by the paraboloid z equal to x square plus y square and above by the plane z equal to 2y. Below by this paraboloid, above by the plane z equal to 2y. बस तार प्रश्न कौन आम उत्तर करिया फाइंड प्रश्न पिले होची फाइंड तने वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट द वैल्यू. प्रथम व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन? दिस इज बिलो, दिस इज अबव. द वैल्यू ऑफ z varies from x square plus y square to 2y over. Then come to the value of कौन बाहर करे x and y बाहर करिबा. दिस इज z, ये also z. Thus what happen? x square plus y square is equal to 2y. x square is equal to 2y minus y square. Hence x is equal to plus minus root over of 2y minus y square. So we may say the value of x varies from minus root over of 2y minus y square to 2y minus y square root over. This is the value of x. Then what happen? कौन करिबा value of y बाहर करिबा आमे कौन करबा किन बाहर करिबा ए जो रूट जो टर्म टा बा x स्क्वायर जो टर्म टा छी मेक इट 0. 2y minus y square is 0. After y is common 2 minus y is 0. So y equal to 0 or 2. तब जानि पाइलो what is the range of y? The y varies from 0 to 2. After this the volume become triple integration. What happen? Z मूल्य केते हैला? Z मूल्य हैला x square plus y square to 2y. x मूल्य केते हैला ना माइनस ऑफ रूट ओवर ऑफ 2y minus y square to 2y minus y square. What is range of y हैला 0 to 2. So we may write it 2 into y ର मूल्य 0 ରୁ 2 integration x मूल्य 0 ରୁ root over of 2y minus y square. Range of z हैला x square plus y square to 2y प्रथमे dz तापरे dx तापरे dy. We have to find the integral. तो मैं आर इंटीग्रल बाहर करिबो बुझियाला पहले स्टॉप कर